Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to see the next topic, that is menopause. This menopause, which are related with the reproduction of the human beings. And last lecture we have seen the andropause. These andropause, which are related with their males, and these menopause, they are related with the women's. So that menopause is the end of the menstruation, that is menstrual cycle. And the word menopause came from the Greek word means, that is mens, and the mens meaning the monthly, and the pausis meaning it is a cessation of the menstrual cycle. Menopause is a part of the woman's natural aging process, where her ovaries produce lower level of the estrogen and progesterone, and when she no longer able to become a pregnant. So this menopause will be occurred after the 55 age of their women. Now, what is the actual definition of the menopause is? This menopause, it is literal meaning of the menopause, that is pauses of the menses, and it is the permanent cessation of the menstruation at the end of the reproductive life due to loss of ovaries, the follicular activities. The phases of menopause. The phases of menopause is usually broken down into 4 categories, that is premenopause. The broad definition of premenopause is the time prior to menopause, the occurrence of menopause before the age of 40 years. So after 40 years it becomes to start their menopause. Then the perimenopause, a period of women's life characterized by the physiological changes associated with the end of reproduction capacity and terminating with the completion of menopause, also called the climacteric. Menopausal phase, it is the end of the menstruation. The age of menopause ranges between 45 to 55 years, and the average being 50 years. Then postmenopausal, it is defined formally as the time after which a woman has experienced 12 consecutive months of amenorrhea without period, and this amenorrhea, which are consecuted at the experience about 12 months. The incidence, physiologic menopause, the normal decline in ovarian function due to aging begins in most women between ages, that is 45 and 55, on average 51, and results in frequent ovulation, decreased menstrual function, eventually cessation of the menstruation. म्हणजे ज्या वुमेनचं फिमेलचं वय हे 45-55 अबाव असते, किंवा ॲव्हरेजली 50-51 असते, त्या व्यक्तीनं किंवा त्या फिमेलला ते मेन्स्ट्रेशन जे असते ते सेसेशन होते, म्हणजे तिथे स्टॉप होते. कारण मेन्स्ट्रुअल सायकल इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर द वुमेन्स, बिकॉज यू नो दॅट all this type of the wastage blood, they are excess from the body at the time of the menstrual cycle. So that this menopause will be cessation at the age of the 50 and above 50 years. Then the phylogenic menopause. The phylogenic menopause, it is a gradual or abrupt cessation of menstruation before 40 years occur. The pathically in about 5% of the women in USA. The causes of menopause. The menopause occurs when the ovaries are totally depleted of eggs and no amount of stimulation from the regulating hormones can force them to work. The physiological changes. The lack of estrogen and progesterone causes many changes in women's physiology that affect their health and well-being. The symptoms of the menopause due to changes in the metabolism of the body, and there are certain issue of their menopause of the changes of their body. Then osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is calcium loss from the bone is increased in the first 5 years after the onset of menopause and resulting in a loss of bone density. The calcium moves out of the bones and it is leaving then weak and liable to fracture at the smallest stress. Ovaries. The ovaries become smaller and shriveled in appearance. The ovaries, which produce little androgen during the reproductive life, begin to produce it in the increasing amounts. The vagina. The vaginal mucous membrane becomes thin and loses its rugosity after the menopause, and decreased secretion make vagina dry. The sexual intercourse become painful and difficult due to pain from the dry vagina. So that this ovary and vagina, they are not supposed to work in properly after the menopause. The vulva or external genital organs. The fat in the labia majora fat in the labia majora and the mons pubis decreases and pubic hair becomes pale. Breast. In thin build women, the breast become flat and shriveled, while in heavy build women, they remain floppy and pendulous. The psychological changes. The psychological changes are mainly manifested by frequent the headache, irritability, fatigue, depression and insomnia. Although these are often said to be due to changes in the hormonal levels, they are more likely to be related to the loss of sleep due to night sweat and diminished interest in sex may be due to emotional upset or may be secondary to painful intercourse due to a dry vagina. The non-hormonal treatment. There are variety of menopausal treatment. बोथ म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस मेनोपॉज असते त्यावेळेस वजाना ड्राय होते नॅचरली, मेडिकली त्याला काय ॲलर्जेटिक असते, त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्यामध्ये काही सिम्पटम दिसतात. ड्रेसिंग इन लाईट लेयर्स कॅन ॲलिव्हिएट हॉट फ्लॅशेस अँड माइट स्वीट्स avoiding the treatment. And this menopause weight will be lost due to life changes, the hormonal changes, reducing the dietary fat intake. Then म्हणजे अशा प्रकारची ट्रीटमेंटमध्ये येणं आवश्यक आहे. ऑस्टिओपोरोसिसमध्ये डेन्सिटी, कॅल्शियम, मॅग्नेशियम, विटॅमिन डी सुद्धा हे रिड्यूस म्हणजे हे घेणं आवश्यक असते. त्याच्यानंतर विटॅमिन ए वगैरे हे फूडसुद्धा डाएटमध्ये आवश्यक असते. आणि जर असं आपण डाएट जर घेतलं तर चांगल्या प्रकारे आपल्याला तब्येत चांगली राहू शकते, नाहीतर मग वेगळे डिस्कम्फर्ट किंवा वेगळे प्रॉब्लेम्स तिथं क्रिएट होऊ शकते.